Okay, gentlemen, let me go back to the first video for just a moment. The other formula that we didn't talk about is pi is area, and that's pi r squared. Okay? And one way to remember the difference between the two is that area is always squared. Whenever we give the units for area, we give them in square units. Yes? Yeah. So that should help us with this formula. 2 pi r, that doesn't have a square in it, so that must be the circumference. Okay? The area is equal to pi r squared. Okay? When we look at this one, it says find the area of the circle to the nearest foot. Now, there's something that we need to understand. When they write a number and it sort of goes across the center, what type of measurement is that? Is that the measurement of the diameter, which is the distance across the circle through the center? Or is that the measurement of the radius? What do you think, Ethan?
The diameter.
That's the diameter. So if 26 is the diameter of this circle, tell me and raise your hand, what's the radius? What's the length of the radius of this circle? Triga? 13. Okay? So the radius is 13. They're asking us to find the area. Okay? So let's fill in what we know. We don't know what the area is, so we'll just leave that variable there. We're going to let pi be what? Raise your hand. Tell me what pi is, Alex.
3.14.
3.14 is the approximation that we're using. Okay? We know the radius is 13, and we put the square up there. Now, what do I do first? Raise your hand to tell me what I do first here. Zachary?
First you go and square 13.
Exactly. I'm always going to do exponents before I multiply, right? So I'm going to square this number first. And that's going to give me area is equal to 3.14 times 169. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Teddy, what do I do next?
You do 3.14 times 169.
And what do I get?
You get 530.66.
530.66. It said round to the nearest foot. So should this go down to 530 or up to 531, Teddy? Up to 531. So the area is 531. Am I done?
No.
Nico?
You have to put feet squared.
Feet squared because we're talking about area here. All right? Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Thank you, everybody who helped out. Let's look at the next example.